Good morning, leisure darlings. Happy Thursday, my favorite day of the week. I am currently at the wetland, I think it's called. It's a cute little river walk right in my backyard, guys. The little gems that we have that we're not grateful for. I'm about to go on a nice walk with a few friends, waiting for them to join me, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of how it looks like. It is so Leisure babes, we here. Check out this nice little boardwalk. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful to be out in nature, just to take in the nice scenery, feel the beautiful wind on your skin, and just meditate and just be zenned out this morning. Nobody needs stress, right? We're keeping it stress-free today. All right, I'm gonna show you guys more when we get to the other side. Connect with you guys soon. It goes all the way to the back.
Duck chickens.
Where?
Over there. All the way over there. And there's
Duck
some
chickens over there.
Are those what are those over there?
They're literally ducks. God bless you. That looks like they're ducks, part duck. Duck I was telling you guys about. See its beak. Too bad you guys can't see the feet, but when it comes out, it has chicken feet.
Really?
Oh yeah. The sound of the wild. Alright. Say hi to the camera, Val.
Hi. Lots of chickens.
Yeah.
And then there's a blue heron back there.
I'll tell you about this blue herring that I saw down in what's that place north of Knoxville? Knoxville, Tennessee, or Iowa?
Oh, turtle, look.
Oh, there's a huge turtle, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a huge one. Oh my gosh, that iguana is huge. Guys, look at this.
That's like a
This is why I'll never camp in South Florida. This is why I'll never camp in Florida. There it is. So pretty. Emerald. I think it's like the moss that turns that color. This is so beautiful. Yeah. It's a little turtle in here. And there's another one right there. So this is like a little shop, guys, within the store. No, not within the store. Within the wetland little park place where you just come and learn, get more information about your history about Florida and the beautiful mammals and reptiles that we have here.
This is where we set out to the east, camping on tree islands as we go. The mints.
Look at this. Gator love. I love it.
So much.
I know. So
Like and
pretty.
share.
I know. Gator love, guys.
Look at this. Oh, it's all like it's hard.
Is it plastic?
I don't know how they do it. They put concrete in there probably.
Maybe. ice cream.